Blowing on that endo, GameCube, Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. Oh, Gucci shades up on my braids when I escalade. When I'm riding spree wheel sliding like a escapade.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is JC. Welcome to my channel. Up next we got Slim Thug. Song is called Knocking on My Door. This song just popped in my YouTube feed, so we're gonna get it popping. Let's get it.
You gonna hear the beat?
Looking so good, just can't ignore. Feel you are standing
Sugar Daddy Slim, baby. Talk to you.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Looking so
Work out
good,
some things.
just can't ignore.
Ass fat, waist snatch, damn, look at that.
Somebody come and look at this.
Prada bucket hat with the Prada boots to match. Her, she got her OnlyFans and will support you, queen. Not to her ass be like, damn, when she hit the scene. Attitude rude, now she don't want you, dude. Only thing that make her smile is a good plate of food.
Got him!
Steak 48 in Houston is my weekly stops. Races for brunches, where mimosas, yeah, that hit the spot. Let's pick a drop when it's hot and hit a couple blocks. I can show you new things if you just ride and watch. Watch out for haters, I got many cause they can't compete. Let's level up and leave them, make them all obsolete.
Feel you are standing there, knocking on my door. Looking so good, just can't ignore. Feel you are standing there. God damn! Knocking on my door. Looking so good, just can't ignore.
Now listen!
She said Dior her, don't bore her, that shit act right. I ain't God, baby, but I'm tryna bless your life.
That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
She keep me smiling, so she smiling, shit, it's only fair. Plus when you get this kind of paper, you don't really care. And she share, find friends often come visit. I'm trying to do it big like the homie Hefner did it. And she with it, stay ready, setting up the plate. She love when the boss live life the boss way. Here to stay, so really cook a mean meal. They don't make them like this no more, you gotta see her. When she say she wanna play, I say you got a deal. Been a few years and she still ain't switch on me still.
That is so badass.
Standing there, knocking on my door. Looking so good, just can't ignore.
Goddamn, Sam. Baby, let me be your blessing. I hate to see you stressing, trying to come up, but everybody trying to cut, I'm guessing. So fine, I know them niggas on your line all the time. I can't blame them for shooting they shot, I'ma shoot mine. If I ain't lying, I'm trying to see you naked in my bed. But for now, we can get to know each other instead. You scared I'm trying to hit it and split it, but I'm the type to find something.
Well guys, that was the video. Slim Thug Knocking on My Door. This was a fucking banger. Booty be popping. I'm gonna be straight up. Booty be popping. Even my girlfriend would agree to it. Shout out to my girlfriend. She has a big booty.
Ghetto booty. Oh yeah.
I ain't gonna front. But yeah, this was actually fucking dope. It's vibing as fuck. I fucks with it. And I'm glad that he came out with more music. Because you know how like rappers back in the days, you know, they got missing or they just stopped making music. But this guy's still grinding. He's still giving us dope ass music. I really appreciate this. But yeah, that was a video. That was a reaction. See you in the next video.